getting the COVID test was fucking 69 euros per. They didn't check anything here, and I doubt they'll check anything on the French side, so I officially made it. Right click October. Well, been on the road for a week now, a few hours more than a week, 5 hours more than a week, and I'm in Luxembourg out of all the places in the world. We knew that I will be here, but instead of talking, I'm just gonna shut up and drive to Luxembourg City, and let's do some sightseeing. Anyone cares, this car is still in one piece, but the Autobahn's awake, so we'll see from there. But I have some maintenance planned for it, maybe get this done here in a day or two. Just the last views of the town. I just stayed overnight that, so Luxembourg City, here I come. Watch out, hold on to your hats. Just completely randomly stopped at a place like this. I was just setting a GoPro up at my car to capture these awesome driving roads a bit here in Luxembourg. And yeah, just pulled over at this kind of place. Not much of an old car guy myself, but you know, still a car guy overall, if that makes sense. This is Luxembourg, so I think that's Kinex Swiss Park, or more or less. I don't know the exact pronunciation, but that's what I'm gonna go to. Let's see, maybe we can see some castles. That's the most exciting stuff for me, or some cool buildings, and go on from there. Just looking at these nice views with music usually doesn't give anything to the viewer, because my video has been doing shit, so I guess I have to change something. So I'll just narrate what I see here. So you can see the old town there, then you can see the old fortification line. There's like gates there, and old houses, then new houses, then more old houses mixed in with just bit newer houses. This cool bridge back there, this railway bridge, really cool looking, going through the city of Luxembourg. And then again, old fortresses and ruins. Sadly they're in ruins. And then again, like old town section within the fortifications. This is just super cool to watch. I love watching at this stuff. I just enjoy being here, nothing more, nothing less. It doesn't have to be a fancy restaurant, it doesn't have to be some sort of an event. I can just sit here on this tower type of structure. It was a fortification tower where you can go up to, and I can just look around and just enjoy the scenery. It doesn't have to be anything special, it doesn't have to be some sort of a natural feature or some sort of super special building, because I'm 100% sure there's tons of these castles everywhere. But just in general, I like the venue. You can see like the rock face there, so you have the natural part of the landscape. You can see how it's been built just in the middle of a valley, and then there's hilly on both sides. Yeah, I guess I hope this kind of a scenery shot is a bit more interesting. I'm just gonna walk around a bit more. This is more like my content. Someone's just taking a dump in this tower where I just was narrating the story from. So yeah, it's also captivating for me. It's an interesting sociological aspect about Luxembourg. There's this little map thing here on Hülen Zand, think that's how the place is called in Luxembourg. And let's play a little game. Where have I been? So let's focus in. London, have been. Dublin, no. Reykjavik, yes. Brussels, yes. Amsterdam, yes. Oslo, no. Copenhagen, yes. Stockholm, yes. Helsinki, yes. Berlin, yes. Moscow, yes. Warsaw, yes. This is just on the other side of the wall. Just look at it. Wow, just how cool this is. Because we got nothing similar to this in Estonia. So yeah, it's fucking awesome just to sit here and just look down at this church, which is by this river, which runs within the fortifications. I think all sorts of travel should have a final destination, and I just made it to a street which has been named in my honor.
Hey, do you want to dance?
It's Germany, boys! Germany! Deutschland! Just sitting in a gas station here, charging my crap. There's so much of it. Took the longest recharging pause in this Aral station, but finally got my shit charged and I'm ready to move on again. The man wasn't too welcoming, but he wasn't hostile either. He was just kind of a bit too active for my liking. After having just stopped at McDonald's, French-Belgian gas stations, coming to Aldi in Germany, finally the prices are normal. This Red Bull was like 1.59. This smoothie thing was like €1, and the bread, Schinke Käse bread, is also like was like €2. So finally, I mean, gas station prices are just fucking insane. I just don't want to see those numbers. Even the fuel was decently priced. Alright, I'm gonna give the car a little once over, because I haven't really checked the fluids and stuff, because we're about to do a big time Autobahn attack, and I'm gonna do this RVS treatment that I had lying around at home, because I don't know how old the oil is, what oil is in the car anyway, and I want to get it changed at the Nürburgring regardless. So I'm gonna do the RVS treatment, and maybe it will ease the pain of the Autobahn attack a little for the car. And yeah, let me get cracking here. Well, this is kind of why you check the fluids on your car. The oil level is really low. It's maybe at its minimum. The oil may be a bit, it's hot outside, and the viscosity may be a bit larger in its even cool down state, because I let the car sit for some time, and well, it's still really hot under the engine bay. So definitely no Autobahn run right now. I will get the oil changed before. I have the oil with me. So at the moment I'm just gonna do the RVS, let it idle for 15 minutes now, and then go and drive to the Nürburgring. These other fluids, these don't look the best either, so I'm just gonna use the combined wisdom of the other guys there and sort this car out before I really start torturing it. First 15 minutes tick over on the spot, do his thing, Now it has ticked over 15 minutes on the spot. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong. That may always be the case because I'm not used to looking at the oil level when the car is hot. I always, with Subarus, you check it before you start driving. I don't know if it's visible. I'm just gonna rotate it somewhere in front of the camera. To me, it looks like it's at the bottom ring, and I rather have it a bit over the top ring for that maximum racing oil level. So all I'm gonna do now is just add the rest of the RVS, go to the Getränk market, I think it was called A, and then just cruise to the Nürburgring area where my homeboy Driving Jesus is. So this is it for now. Hell yeah, I'm gonna buy all these. Shoot. One of my favorite stores, and look at this nice little load. It's like 42 cans of Monster and some other shit, and it was like 57 euros only. Guys, look what I found. Oof, it's a green McLaren. How exciting is that? And red Volkswagens. And the Nürburgring Castle. Where the fuck I am?